Hey there, retired and looking for something fulfilling to do with your time? Let me introduce you to the hidden gem of Barton upon Humber, Men in Sheds. This is the place where you can meet other like-minded men, share your skills and create something truly remarkable. Imagine this, a spacious workshop filled with the scent of fresh wood, the hum of power tools and the sound of laughter. That's Men in Sheds for you. It's not just a workshop, it's a community. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete novice, there's a place for you here. Got a passion for making things? Fantastic. We'll provide the space, tools and camaraderie. All you need to bring is your enthusiasm. I know what you're thinking. I'm not a woodworker. But that's the beauty of it. You don't have to be. There's always someone willing to teach you the ropes, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you pick it up. Plus, working with your hands is incredibly satisfying. But it's not just about building things, it's about building friendships. Here, you'll find a supportive group of men who share stories, laugh together, and look out for one another. It's a place to belong, to feel valued, and to find purpose. And let's not forget the projects. From birdhouses to garden benches, there's no limit to what you can create. Have a project in mind? Bring it to life here. Need inspiration? There's always someone with a new idea or a creative twist. Every day at Men in Sheds is an adventure. One day you might be sanding down a piece of oak. The next, you're sharing a cup of tea and a story with a new friend. It's about enjoying the journey and the company along the way. So why not join us? Come down to Barton upon Humber and see what Men in Sheds is all about. Whether you want to learn new skills, share your expertise, or just have a good chat, there's a place for you here. Don't let retirement be the end of your story. Make it the beginning of a new chapter. See you at the shed.